Okay, so let's do some exercise for the lungs to expand the lung capacity, and then we'll do a meditation called the Calibre of Life meditation, which is very helpful to overcome depression in terms of feeling discouraged or like not a serious clinical depression, but nevertheless it's very powerful way to feel yourself energized and set. So we'll do this lung capacity exercise first. You just take your hands interlaced and put them on the back of your head, and you're going to inhale in this position and exhale and fold, and just let the natural weight of your arms stretch, open the back of your neck, and you might feel that stretch down into your mid-back. That's your exhale. Inhale, exhale. And hold the breath. And exhale the palms into your lap. Right hand in the left, thumb tips touch. And we're going to do this Calibre of Life meditation. You take your left hand, you put it in a fist, so that the left thumb is upright, and the right hand comes around the back of the left hand, and you have like a V, more or less, depending on your anatomy, and you pull the thumbs back towards the body, and you look through this V and just get a point of focus. And we're going to do a 5-second inhale, a 5-second exhale, and then with the navel tucked slightly back towards your spine, so with the breath held out, you're going to hold out for 15 seconds. So you're going to time this, so inhale for 5, exhale for 5, hold out for 15, and we'll do 3 minutes in total. Eyes are open. Make sure your elbows are locked out. So come to your next exhale and hold the breath out. Inhale deep. And relax the arms down, palms in your lap. So I'm sure you experienced a very powerful change of energy through that exercise, and you want to build this up slowly, so 3 minutes to start with and build up slowly to, you can go up to 11 minutes, but don't push it further than that. If you feel a little dizzy, have a glass of water after. Satnam.